Yeah, JR King 2. Huwag kang sakutan ng mga hari. Dragon Empire, walang inuurungan. Let's go! Ito ang bahay ng Dragon Empire. Dito sa apoy kami nagliyab ng tunay. Mga leyong nagising sa dilim ng buhay. Walang atras hanggang dulo, sabay-sabay, yeah. Dragon Empire, apoy sa tagiliran. Walang takot galawan, parang alon sa hangin. JR King, reyna at hari ng daan. Bawat hagbang magaan ng kalakasan. Humangon sa alikabok, dala ang korona. Tinig ng kalye,
I guess you've heard, I guess you know. In time I'd have told you, but I guess I'm too slow. It's overly romantic, but I know that it's real. I hope you don't mind if I say what I feel. It's like I'm in somebody else's dream. This could not be happening to me, but you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep. I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. No, don't be concerned. I don't want to change things, leave them just as they were. I mean, nothing's really different. It's me who feels strange. I'm always lost for words when someone mentions your name. I know that I'll get over this for sure. I'm not the type who dreams there could be more. But you were there, and you were everything I'd never seen. You woke me up from this long and empty sleep, and I was alone. I opened my eyes and you were there. Can I take your smile home with me? Or the magic in your head.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. To you, to you, to you.
Happy Mansari, Tol Gracia, and understanding sa inyong dalawa. Happy third mut-mut, and stay strong. Sana humaba pang pagmamahalan nyo at ipaglaban ang nararamdamahan na pagmamahal sa isa't isa. Hangad ko na sana tumagal pa ang pagmamahalan nyo at tiwala lang at mahabang pasensya sa isa't isa. Pagmahal talaga, ipaglalaban yan at wala namang masama magbigay ng pagkakataon sa isa't isa. Pangibabawi ng pagmamahal sa isa't isa at magpatawad. Andito lang kami lahat sa inyo, sila mami, sila daddy, at kami na mga kapatid nyo. Stay strong lang. And happy birthday sa iyo, Tol. Understanding. More birthdays to come and magpakasaya ka sa araw na to, and happy birthday and God bless sa inyong dalawa, more love and many months to come.
Happy birthday, mahal. May God continue to bless you and guide you always. Asikasuhin mo na yung pagbalik mo dito para magkita na tayo. Ang asikasuhin mo, yung pag-apply mo, hindi yung bantayan ako. Kasi ako, nandito lang ako, nagtatrabaho lang ako. And happy third monthsary sa atin. Alam mo naman na hindi ako mahilig mag I love you, hindi ako ganun ka-clingy, hindi ako ganun ka-showy. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, ugali ko lang yung mahirap i-handle pero marunong akong makontento. So, hindi mo kailangan bantayan. Mag-focus tayo sa goal natin pareho. Kasi ako kampante na ako eh. Kampante na ako na nandyan ka. Given na yun na nandyan ka. So, mas gusto ko na paghandaan yung magiging future natin. Sana pareho tayong maging financially stable para sa future natin. Yan. I love you. Happy birthday. Happy